Hi everybody, it's the Rich Guru from therichpoppy.com. Visit the website if you want to learn about investments and how to have the rich mentality. Anyway, I'm by the beach again. I made some notes and I want to teach you how to basically save money in investing and how to basically save money while you do investing. So 8 money and investing tips. So rule number one, pay yourself first. Always remember that at the end of the day you want the gains to be yours. So whatever company you make, whatever investment you do, when you get dividends, you get interest from the investments, make sure you pay yourself. And once you pay yourself, keep that money somewhere that is safe. So you call it your money. So after you make gains, you're supposed to pay yourself first. Unless you're so confident that you are really good at the investing games, and you basically just, when you make the money, you know it's yours and you keep investing with it. But in the beginning, always put your gains aside slowly, because you don't want to lose your gains, because the gains are the gains. It's supposed to be gains that you pay to yourself. Rule number two, save for emergency. I cannot tell you the value of this lesson. Save for an emergency is really important, because life hits you hard, and there are moments in life where you need emergency funds. And if you don't have emergency funds, you have to start cutting your gains at the wrongest time. The reason why people go broke in investing is because they sell in the wrong time, when they have to stay in the market. That's when you need emergency funds, so you don't have to sell your gains, because the markets are low, you don't sell. That's when everybody's selling. You have to hold on tight. I'm not saying selling is always wrong, but remember, markets will go up and down, and the downside is when you always lose money. I cannot tell you how many times I personally lost money because the markets were low and I needed money for my business, and I had to sell even at a lower price to cover the cost of my business. So have emergency funds. If you do not have them, don't even start investing, because you need emergency funds. So emergency funds and then investments money. Lesson number three, spend less and save more. Remember, whenever you spend money, you are losing upside potential on every investment that you can do on that money for the rest of your life. So if you buy an ice cream for $1, remember that's $1 that could pay you 10 cents per year for the rest of your life. So this will add up. So always remember to spend less money, because whenever you spend less, you are making more. It's equivalent, it's exactly identical. It's just a number that goes up and down. So lesson number four, lose a habit, gain savings. I'm not saying start not living or stop living, because life is a precious thing that is being given to you and you want to enjoy it. But at the same time, if you lose a habit that is not necessary, like playing online games that cost you money, or going to casino, or going to hotels that cost you a lot, instead of that, save that money and save it aside for gambling in the stock market. Because I'm calling it gambling because everything in life pretty much is some sort of gambling. Don't get me wrong, the stock market is not gambling, but why not gamble in something that is supposed to go up in value? But if you go to a casino, you will lose money over time. But in stock market, you will gain money over time. So you are in the opposite side of the game. Lesson number five, get creative making money. So that's a lesson I'm gonna leave for the future. But you gotta remember that you gotta be creative making money, because when you make money, you can get creative with it. Starting a company, and let's say working in your company as an entrepreneur, doing something to get extra pay. But again, always remember that you will not get rich by having a 9 to 5. You need to start investing on the side. You need to start your own business on the side. Whoever became super rich were those guys who started something on the side. And you could get rich by investing on the side. So lesson number 6, baby steps your way to investing. So start small. You will see the gains. Like, even if you lose, you gotta remember that's a gain in the beginning, because you learn from your loss. In the beginning, everything is a gain, because even if you lose, you don't lose that much, and later that lesson will come in handy because you learn your lesson. So you gotta start. You're gonna see the money eventually. Lesson number 7, allocate your assets. So it comes about diversification and how to allocate your money in different sectors and different strategies of investing, which we will get into in the other videos. So check my channel, check the website, or do research for free online. You could find a lot of lessons. A lot of people are willing to put this out there for free, like myself. So keep looking to see how you can diversify, how you can allocate your money in the smart assets or smart money, and use your money wisely, because your money is your money. You worked for it, and this is considered work, and you want to make the world a better place. So make sure you put your money in the right place, because it comes to morals and a lot of honesty in the world that we need by the right investors. You don't want to invest in something wrong. At the same time, you don't want to put your money in cash, because it's not productive. It's not doing anything for the world. So lesson number 8, which is kind of 2 lessons. Understand investment costs. So whenever you do investing, you've got to understand that these investments will have fees. So whenever you buy into the market, you sell into the market, you will have to pay fees. So one strategy that I follow, I buy and hold. So this way I always pay half the trading fees, because I buy, I never sell. So I'm gonna win eventually, because it's 50-50. But if you keep on buying and selling, the banks will steal all your money. And within lesson number 8, I have to tell you that stick to an investment plan, because again, when you pay extra fees and you don't understand what you're doing, you're gonna lose money, and then you're gonna hate investing. And that's the worst way you could waste your life, to think investing is bad, because investing is a very good thing. Again, this is Rich Guru from richpoppy.com. You will be seeing me a lot if you want to become successful. I am on my way as well to get there. So let's do it together. So peace out.